I'm Chaya Gowda. I'm happy to be a part of this workshop, Mr. Vishal, because I was aware of some information about the naturopathy to some extent. But this is a full package of scholars who has worked for that, and it has given a lot of lesson for me. And I was a failure with this medicine, and I am a badly affected by medicine. That has given a small changes in me just 5 years back, but now just 15 days back, means from January 1st, I started connected with this platform. I had a habit of using more milk and milk product, and means more oily food. I'm junk food with that. From 15 days, I am following the policy how he has directed me, and 100% I am to that extent I am moving towards the betterment. And why I am recommending this information for everybody now, because it is hardly connected issue for me, because my mama 5 years back I lost her because of medicine. But now I feel I was not a right person to direct her, educate her about this. I used to give small information, but in the right way I could not do. So it is mainly my failure. So I am feeling very bad for that. At least in future, I'll not go for that situation. And whoever get connected with me for the better life, I'll educate them and give the information about this. At least it can reach the people to come out of this unwanted and needed. It is not needed for everybody. Medical, which is too much burden, it is happening. That should be stopped in future. For that sake, I am thankful for this organization and naturopathy. Thank you.